Hare Krishna. So today we are going to discuss on this verse from Bhagavad Gita, chapter 4, shloka number 8. The title of this verse is Purpose of Lord's Appearance. So yesterday we saw what is the nature of Lord's appearance, Janma Karma Chame Divyam. And this shloka in the Bhagavad Gita 4th chapter, 8th verse, talks about the purpose of Lord's appearance. परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. So this is a very beautiful shloka explaining the purpose of Lord's appearance. It says Paritranaya sadhunam. The first purpose for which Lord appears in this world is Paritranaya sadhunam, to deliver the devotees, the sadhus, to protect the devotees. So on one side he is giving protection to devotees, and what is he doing to on the other side? Vinashaya cha dushkritam. So the dushkriti, the demons, are annihilated by the Lord. And the third purpose is dharma sansthapanarthaya. So the Lord appears to establish dharma in this world. धर्म की स्थापना करने के लिए आता है. Sambhavami yuge yuge. A millennium after millennium he appears for this purpose. To deliver the pious and to annihilate the miscreants, as well as to establish the principles of religion. I myself appear millennium after millennium. So yesterday we saw how Lord Narsimhadev appeared from a pillar. So when Narsimhadev appeared from a pillar, did he do all these three things? Yes, he did. He protected Sri Prahalad, and he annihilated Hiranyakashipu, and he established dharma in the society by establishing Prahlad Maharaj as the next king. But interestingly, the scriptures reveal something more deeper, and they say that these three things, whether it is protecting of the devotees and annihilating of the miscreants or establishing of dharma, these the Lord can achieve without even coming, because he can just walk away from the heart of Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyakashipu will fall flat. He will be dead because he is in the heart as Paramatma. That's why Hiranyakashipu is able to live. Similarly, protection to Prahlad can be given in many other ways also. So God has various roles. He is the creator, maintainer, and destroyer of universes. He destroys demons, protects devotees, and re-establishes dharma. But above than all these roles come the most intimate purpose for which the Lord appears. And that is, he wants to exchange love with his devotees. So God in his sweetest form as Sri Krishna, Rama, or Vishnu enjoys loving pastimes with his devotees eternally. And for that purpose, to exchange loving reciprocation with his devotees, God comes to this world personally. Today is a very auspicious occasion of Sri Sri Radha Raman Dev's appearance. So if any one of you have gone to Vrindavan, one of the most famous temples of Vrindavan is Radha Raman Dev temple. So I'll tell you in brief the story of Radha Raman Dev. So his very great devotee, a pure devotee, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, one of the great acharyas in our line, he had a Shaligram Shila and he would worship Shaligram Shilas. But one time, it so happened that a businessman came to Vrindavan, and in Vrindavan, there were so many Goswamis and Acharyas who had their own personal deities. And this businessman gave each Goswami one set of clothes for their own deities. But Gopal Bhatta Goswami had a Shaligram Shila. And how do you actually dress a Shaligram Shila? If you have a beautiful Tribhanga Lalita standing form of Lord Radha and Krishna, then you can dress them, you can feed them, you can bathe them. But for Shaligram Shila, it's very difficult to dress them. But this businessman was offering various set of beautiful clothes and jewelry for the deities. And Gopal Bhatta Goswami was regretting in his heart that, my lord, I have got a Shaligram Shila. I don't have a deity. And that's why I'm unable to dress you. I also aspire to dress you like all the other Goswamis are doing. And that day, when he was thinking like this, was Narsimha Chaturdashi. And the next day, when morning he got up, he saw that the Shaligram Shila had self-manifested into a beautiful threefold bending form of Lord Krishna. So this deity form of Lord Krishna, Radha Ramandev, is one of the most beautiful deities in the entire world. You can see this photo. So Gopal Bhatta Goswami became so happy, and from that day onwards, the worship of Radha Ramandev started in a very gorgeous way. So this is the purpose for which Lord appears, to reciprocate love with his devotees. Like Gopala Bhatta Goswami's desire was to serve the Lord, and Lord reciprocated it by coming in form of a deity. So in this Kali Yuga, the Lord has appeared in the form of the holy names. Kali Kale Nama Rupe Krishna Avatar. And Krishna has appeared personally in our lives to annihilate the demons within our heart and to protect the devotion of our heart and to make us walk on the path of dharma. But along with it, the supreme thing which the Lord gives by chanting of the holy names is his own pure love.